unlimited supply of mac and cheese.
It's time to die.
You can select all these weapons available in these crates. Good luck.
Let's try this.
Hey, that tickles. Is it hot in here or is it just me?
Okay, that didn't work. What about this?
Wow, you should work on your aim.
Money that I don't accept.
Let's try this.
That's your new plan?
Ugh, I give up. This is useless. You're impossible to kill. Why is this stupid competition called Kick the Buddy when we can't kill? Oh, wait a minute. Now I know what to do.